Alrighty. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Woo! Winter's here. 27 degrees. I think the low was 25. Not too cold. I'm sure we're going to get a lot worse. Let's see here. What do we got on gold? Let me pop this on Dixie real quick. Well, there you go. Let's get in this Discord. Warm everybody up. Share my screen. Yes, I would like to share my screen. And there we go. There we go. How are the folks in Discord? They are well, it appears. All right, Dixie. Working around its weekly range here. High is, let's see, highs yesterday. Top side is 68.3 Laplace. Made a run for it. Ended up at the bottom of the weekly, which was below the first standard deviation. Right before the end of the day, rejected off the center of the weekly range. Right back down. Second support level, daily volatility range. Closed right inside the weekly. Opened up, got a nice pump, top side of the weekly range, right back down. First support level, daily volatility range. Now right back up above, center of the weekly, right at the center of the daily range right now. Oh, algos, you are a beautiful thing. You make our lives so easy. I don't know about you folks using lagging information, but yeah, good stuff when you're using leading information. What you're looking at right here. All right, let me see here real quick. Oh, Dixie. Let's pop Dixie on. Let's see, 4 hour, huh? Yeah, bull div, huh? Get a nice pop of bull div. Right at the 2 SD band on the returns oscillator, though. Heading into a random walk. Yeah, all the volatility is expanding, positively correlated. So it ripped right on up. Look at the daily real quick. Yeah, and here's the daily. Dixie finally. Last time Dixie tested that reverse wave trend, August 29th. So the beginning of September pretty much. Started running again. If I blow this up, see the 33 log MA caught that dip. Goes right back up top side of the power mean band, pulls back, finally got that wave trend. Now we're going to see Dixie back up, 106.5 area. Possibly. It is the top side of the power mean band. Let's look at the old 5-day. Yeah, this thing still hasn't came back down to. I mean, the last 5-day candle almost tapped that 9 log MA. Pretty close. Low was about 105.3. About a point below. Interesting what we have going on here in Dixieland. Heading into a random walk. Prediction model still to the top side. This thing has not flipped on the 5-day. See if it's flipped on the 3-day. Yes. Okay. So 3-day on Dixie, right? The power mean band's got to break through the reverse Fisher here. Am I rooting on Dixie? Not really. Just telling you what it needs to do if it wants to move any higher. Now, it can take off from the power mean band, there's no doubt. But when you got the Fisher right at the top side, that is tough. We could be looking at a high for Dixie here for a minute. Until we get some of these power means up through it. The Fisher. And let me see here. Is it higher right now? It is barely. 288 is where the log MA is. Reverse Fisher 257. Okay. 257. Or actually, it's at 186. What is that snuck in there? 257. What we got going on here? Show me. Oh, no, it's a log MA that's 106.257. Top of the power mean band's at 288. Okay, then Fisher at 186. Kind of interesting. You got some support there. Indeed. Especially since it's heading into, it's been heading into a random walk. Prediction model flipped to the downside, though, on 3-day. See this 2-day. Bust right on up through there. Yeah, that's what you want to see on the 3-day as well. Blow this up real quick. Yeah, we did have the cross. Sent a wick down. Didn't really catch it, though. Let's see. Wave trend 104.591 on the 2-day. Not too big of a pullback, to be honest. 104, I mean, 1.5. Not bad. Got this daily. Pretty clean chart right now. No div. No div for the 4 hour. Yeah, and that was the bull div that kicked this 4 hour candle up. But as we saw, it is on macro time frames. You're right up there at the top side of the power mean band. So on the 4 hour, just got back up to the reverse wave trend after the spill out. Last 4 hour candle of the day yesterday, or previous 4 hour candle, sorry. Right back up to the reverse wave trend, huh? Take a peek at this. And you're right at it, right at the 33 log MA right now. You can see the last candle, right? It shot right up to wave trend, then just dumped out. Totally backfilled this sucker. Right up to that 33 log MA. See if this thing can break the 33. You got the 9 there as well. The 9's up at about 106.431, about a tenth. Interesting. Let's keep working down through here. Yeah, there was no div on the 90 minute. This thing's clean right now. Actually, 90 minute, you're sitting here, you're running into these log MAs, reverse wave trend, reverse Fisher. Wow, it's a point of contention. Goodness gracious, look at that. Put this coffee down. Diagnosis crime scene. Yeah, just shot up to the 33. There's the 99. There's the 9. And you got reverse wave trend, reverse Fisher on the 90 minute wave trend crossing down Fisher. Is that a magnet for price action? Absolutely. And then it just sent a wick right to the wave trend. All right, let's see this 45 real quick. And the total random walk, as I just saw in the Entropy. 45 minute too. Okay, so top side of the power mean band on the 45. Let's see if this thing pulls back down. What's this 45 close? 7 minutes. Beautiful. About a quarter after. Okay, let's see if this candle closes inside 106.299. That is a reverse wave trend. I think it's pulling back right now a little bit. Let's see the 33. How high did this get? Yummy coffee. Yummy coffee. Right to the 99 log MA. Okay. Speaking, 106.258. 299 was the 45 minute wave trend. Let's see if this 33 minute closes in 10 minutes. Let's see if this closes below wave trend, 0.258. Looks like it's pulling back, rejecting off that 99 log MA. Where you at, 15 minute? What are you doing over here? Okay, you're above the power mean band. Everything's flipping around. Let me see. Where is this 99 at? 270. 270. So that is wave trend. Pretty much a little bit below. All right. So what this is setting up. Got a little bit. No, higher high. Okay, this looks all right. Let me go back up to 33. Get this returns oscillator. This thing's setting up a lot of hidden bear. Hidden bear rejecting off the 99. Let's see that for you. Hidden bear on the Z-score as well. Same thing here on the 45 minute. A lot of hidden bear. Yeah, we're just retesting these, especially that 99 log MA. Reverse wave trend. Let's see the 90 minute. No div yet, so it's 45 and below. 15, 33, 45, all setting up hidden. And there's the bull div. There is the bull div. Still going to be setting up hidden though, right? Still going to be setting up hidden, especially from back here. Right up by the reverse Fisher. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. What you want, girl? One out. It's cold out there. You ready? You prepared? Woo! Go. Go on. Go potty. Go on. She looked at me like, what the hell? What happened? It got cold, girl. Oh. Yeah, I'll trade you, man. Zen tap with the coming in with the warmth. 90 to 92. I love it. Bring some of that warmth. Let me see here. All right, that's enough of that. We already looked. Let me do one more read on Dixie here. Let's take a peek at let's see. Remember, get a monthly close today as well. Man, Dixie pretty much just ranging in that 68.3. That was the high, literally, on the monthly. 68.3 Laplace distribution range. Got down a little bit below it. Right now, though, right back pretty much at the mean of the distribution on the monthly. Let's check this weekly. And I'm just looking at these probability levels here. Already did a 1 SD move. Yeah, oh yeah. On the weekly, already hit the 1 SD to the downside. And a nice bounce. I mean, to the dollar, too. Let me see here. Pretty much. Good job. Good job, Dixie. The weekly. Oh, no, that was the actual weekly. Here's the 5-day. See this 5-day. We get a 1 SD. Yep. Dead on it. Beautiful. Beautiful, Dixie. Making a move. Now, since we're on the 5-day, let me turn the low-length RMLR on. Mean reversion at its finest. I think I remember talking about this when Dixie got a new 5-day candle, it was going to mean revert. It did. Opened up below it, too. Where's the 30 at? Down below. Wow. Like under 100, huh? Interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's see this 3-day. Yeah, mean reverted as well. Bring the 30 into the party. Down below. Got a little target down here. We're working 104.491. Topside RMLR about 107.5. Let's see the 2-day. Yeah, topside 107.966. Topside, let me see where the 30 length is. Right here, man. Like 3-day, 2-day. 5-day. We're between these RMLRs. 105.164. Okay. So we got some nice ranges here in the macro. 2-day. Not really too much of a macro. Below both. Below both on the daily. Wow. Are we going to see a little spill out by Dixie? Boy, if we do, crypto is just going to go berserk. It's already going berserk. Pricey gold pop. If Dixie runs, though, gold's going to sell off. We're going to go to gold next. What time is it? 9:12. It's about enough. Just want to look at it 4 hour. Spread that out. Oof. I'm telling you, man. Dixie's looking like it's going to. Yeah, that's right. That's right. So, little bit of.
Bitcoin.
What?
Happy birthday, Bitcoin.
Happy birthday, Bitcoin.
You're 15 and still everyone wants to. Never mind.
Yeah, 15. 15 years old. Old Bitcoin. 15. What was I doing when I was 15? Trying to find nudie mags, chasing girls, playing on my BMX. Same thing probably Bitcoin's doing. Tell you what, when I was 15, we lived in a different world, man. All the kids, right? We were actually outside playing, riding our bikes, trying to find our friends.
Very much.
Fighting.
Outside doing stuff.
Fighting every day. All the days start out good, but it was always sports oriented. We were playing basketball or football. We were doing something outside.
Yeah, I was working on a river that was so filthy. When the EPA would come to test it every year, they'd be wearing all their like white and silver like radiation lab suits and stuff.
Oh yeah, dude. We used to go down.
We always thought we were glowing in the dark.
We used to go down to the quarries, right? And they're
right.
down in Bloomington. Yeah. Everybody knows the quarries down in Bloomington by IU. And fucking jumping in the fluorescent green water.
Yeah.
From the old mine, dude. That shit was so poisonous. Nobody cared.
Quarries are in the like those flooded quarry lakes or whatever, or ponds, or that famous cycling movie, Breaking Away.
Yeah, those are these same quarries. Yeah. They got rooftops like what's rooftop, like 90 feet or something. Seen a lot of drunk people just smash themselves on that thing. Oh, I can do it. And then they get up there like, oh my God, it looks a lot higher. I didn't know 90 feet looked this high. And then somebody walk up and just push him. Bye-bye. Bunch of drunks. Yeah, stupid shit. Saw a couple people almost die down there, man. I mean, you hit wrong. It just knocks the air out of you. So we would always have at least 3 people down swimming in the quarry, though, waiting. So it was dangerous.
I gotta go. I'll talk to you guys later. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bitcoin. Okay, let's see here. now. Okay, so we know where Dixie's at, and Dixie's right top of it is top of the daily range right now, so it has scooted up a little bit more. Let's look at gold real quick. Then we're going to go to Bitcoin. Top of the weekly range, gold. All right, interesting. Haven't even fully tested the center, which that's okay. We've definitely tested it. The daily range is right at the top of the weekly. Good job. Gold put in some work, man. Right? We all know that. Gold got wrecked. Gold, what, dipped below 18? Wasn't it right below 18? Let me see here. Let's flip this on gold. I know we were calling these moves. Nah, close-o. Was a low, about 18.10, right in there. Nice recovery. Well, you're outside the power mean band on the 5-day, below the 99 log MA. It was a no-brainer. No-brainer. There was just no div, man. There was no div. Not on the returns oscillator, not on the Z-scores. That's where the power mean band, everything on here. Log MAs come in real handy. You get lost in the weeds. No. No div on the 3-day. Trending. Is that 5-day trending? Not really. 3-day is though. 3-day still trending to the top side. There is no div. Hidden bear, hidden bull, none. Returns oscillator sitting right at the 0 mean. Low length Z-scores turning down. Still have an outlier in the 30. This thing actually could move. Let me check something real quick. Gold. Where is top side of 68.3? Yeah, about 2,000. Few bucks. Few dollars. Let me see the 2-day here. Clean. Trending too. 2-day, 3-day trending to the top side. Daily going back into a random walk. All right, party almost over probably. Even though you're breaking through reverse Fisher, this is what you want to see. I would imagine. Wow. So on the daily, you got top side. You got the 9 log MA up here at about 1862. All the log MAs are bullish. Let me check that real quick on the 2-day and 3-day. Oh boy. Yep. 3-day. 99 hasn't flipped back blue yet. The other two are. We had our nice little crypto stream yesterday. A lot of things played out. I was talking about. Especially Solana. Had another rip. Had that hidden, I'm pretty sure, on the 4-hour. We'll get to that. So on the daily, where is that? Where's that Fisher at? 1950. You got wave trend at 1923. You're way outside the power mean band. If Dixie makes a little run here, I wouldn't be a bit surprised to see gold pull back to at least top side of the 9 log MA, power mean band, 1960, 1950, right in there somewhere. You got wave trend at 1923. See this 4-hour. Whoop, what did I just see there? My returns oscillator. Let me check this real quick. Especially when you got a bunch of hidden bear. No bull. Let me see here. It was setting up hidden, but right now, no. Not locally, but there is a ton of hidden bear. Okay. Yeah. Tell you what. Dixie makes that run. Look out. Where's wave trend here on the 4-hour? 1970, about 1975 probably. Let me see here. Yep, 1975.49. Got the top side of the power mean band. Interesting. Total random walk. Tell you what, there's some bull div though on the 4-hour. Gold definitely has some bull div. Nothing setting up on the top side yet. I mean, from back here, you're right at the eyes. Yeah, nothing. It's just bull. Bull div. You're above the 0 mean. Both Z-scores are up. It's a random walk though. It is a random walk. Had a little bit of expansion on the low length. Interesting indeed. But if Dixie does pull back here, obviously gold's going to make a run. Let's see. Remember, they were correlated for a little bit. Okay, here's a 90-minute. Already pulled back. Got some wave trend love. Look at the 4-hour one more time. Is that wave trend that again? 1975? Yeah. So then 90-minute tap that wave trend. You're in between wave trend and Fisher. Look at the power mean band in between both two. Got a nice range here on gold. Top side about $2,000, $2,001. Reverse wave trend on the 90-minute, about 1992. Center of the weekly, pretty close to 1990. And top side of the 68.3. So there's pretty much that range. Center of the weekly, top side of the 68.3 is the 90-minute right here. Fisher, wave trend, power mean band in between. Good stuff. Okay, wave trend, huh? Came down, broke through wave trend, pulled up, closed right above it. Nice. Now you're back at the top side. We're back at the top side of the power mean band. 99 log MA did some justice down here on the 45 on this little pullback. Ran it right through. First, wave trend, obviously. Wick, closed right at it, and then boom. Got a nice wick to the top side there. Good stuff. Total random walk. Went into a little bit of trend to the top side here. Not really, though. That's trend, baby. That's trend. Powerful trend. Has a lot to do with slope, though. A lot to do with slope. You see that entropy dropping from a random walk? Yeah, look out, man. You can get some moves, and you do. And you do. Not could. Okay, 33 minute. Yeah, here we go. 1993. A little bit above that, whatever, 90 minute time frame where the wave trend was. About a point above. Let's see. Top side, I mean, you got the same thing going on down here on the 33 pretty much. A couple bucks to both sides, but yeah, reverse Fisher, 99 log MA here. Wave trend right in the middle of both. Nice big range on gold. And let's go back over to VRE. Got a pretty big weekly range. Let's see, 81, 2000, about a $20, I guess. $20 weekly range. Let me see something real quick. It's still under 1% though, man. Still under 1%. Got a nice little tight daily though. Gold's probably going to move around. Surprised this thing hasn't dipped down, tested the bottom. We could see that. We could see gold test the bottom side of this range. 1981. Gotcha. Roger that. Through the 15 minute. Time is it? We got 7 minutes. Little market open. Yeah, we just came back up. Went busting through reverse wave trend. 9 and 33, or 33 and 99 log MAs. Ran right back up to a Fisher right here. Can it get by? Can it close above the Fisher by the market open? Let's see what you're going to do here, gold. Interesting. Be above 1998. Right there, right now, almost. Right here, right now. Okay. Now, before the market opens, let's take a quick peek. What you doing, girl? You just came back in. You want back out? What's Bitcoin doing? 30. Okay, got you. Yeah, Solana pulled back a little bit. Yeah, nice. Crypto's been running. I'd be a bit surprised to see a little pullback. There's some things on Solana I really liked. I was looking at last night. Let me let this dog out. Go. Come on, girl. There's that little girl. Out again. Running her moves. Oh, yeah, exactly. It's kind of like the heat thing. Yeah, it's a dry heat. You just got to get in the shade. Which is true. I've been in some real warm areas out in the high desert. It'll be 9,500 degrees. You get in the shade and there's a nice little breeze. It feels 75. Feels 80. It's real nice. Yeah. A lot of those times it was at Burning Man. So, to be honest, really didn't give a shit what the temperature was. Because you were, under the influence, to say the least, of one thing or another. All right, gold. Let me check. Let's go over here. BTC. We actually did all these ranges yesterday on BTC, but oops, SPY up. Wait a minute. Let me look one more time. 0.05 pre-market. Gotcha. Gotcha. Crypto. First, check out old Solana. Making some moves, man. Making some moves. Yes. Yeah, yesterday, hovered around. After the nice pump, bounce off the bottom side of the 68.3, bottom of the daily range, top of the weekly, right? Beautiful support there. Wick right into all of it, and then wham, right? 2 hours later, you're sitting, you go literally from about 32.3, literally up to the high at about 35.3. So you move 3 points and then just close right at the 1 SD. I mean, right at it, pretty much. A little bit above it, actually. First resistance level on the weekly. Open up. Pop. Here we go again. 1 SD move. Just like yesterday, but now pulled back. And you are literally at, what is that, the first resistance level? Daily really hasn't been tested. If we're talking percentage wise, 34.59. Where'd that wick go to? I mean, 30 cents, huh? Get a little, do a quick look, some quick little maths. Yeah. I mean, it's good. It's under 1%. The dollar takes off a little bit. I can see Solana coming down, testing this daily. I don't know if it's going to get that far, though, to be honest. I'll show you why. A lot of stuff going on here. Where are you, Sol? There you are. Let's go up to the daily. First, let's go to the weekly on Sol. What time is it? 27. Let me get let's get this account up. Shit. Shiite, man. There we go. Boing. We cooking. We are cooking with coconut oil. Let's go. Love this thing.
The sound you just made my cat meow.
Oh, really? Kitties like me, man. Let's see. The kitties like me. There we go. Up and moving. What's this expected move? 418.5 top side, 413 to the bottom. 2.75 plus or minus. Roger that, mother truckers. Okay, so on the weekly, let's drop all the way to 3-day. This thing's going to be out. Yep, out of range. Going to go down and see where this pullback hit wave trend. Okay, let's go. There we go. Interesting. What's the top side of the power mean band? 25.9. Let's look at the daily. There we go. Above $30. Top side of the power mean band. That's what I like seeing. Wave trend at 25. 4 hour. There we go. Yeah, so top side of the power mean bands are like $34. I like that. Solana sitting at 36 right now. Powerful. This thing is bullish too. Look at these log MAs, man. Look at the 90, 99. Blue as well. Returns above the mean. Variance rising. That's what we like to see. Even that 99's up above 27, 27.36. Nice. Fisher 29. Wave trend 32. I like it a lot. Now. Okay, just on the 90 minute, this pullback just tested the top side of the power mean band. Interesting. 36.02. Got wave trend crossing back up Fisher. Okay. But I like that. Look at this. I mean, we're talking $34. 34. Pull back $2 to test the 90-minute wave trend. I dig it. I dig it indeed.
Can I ask you a question?
What's your question?
In the wave trends, what the bottom line, it's blue and green. What does it mean when it's green?
The reverse wave trend? My reverse wave trend's the white dots.
No, not that one.
What's that?
If you the bottom one.
What you talking about reverse Fisher, the purple and red?
No, purple, but blue.
That's the 99 log MA.
But what? Yellow and the blue?
This is the 99 log MA. This one is the 33 log MA, and this one is the 9 log MA.
When it turns yellow, what does it mean?
Those are the variance check colors. It's telling you what the variance is doing, whether the variance is rising, falling, and whether the returns are above or below the mean.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks.
You're welcome, sir. Yeah, it'll just let you know what's going on. And now that this market is open, let's flip over here real quick. We already ran through Dixie, and Dixie looks like it's wanting to run a bit. 45. Let's see where SPY's new ranges are at. Since I did not even look at traditional markets yesterday. That's the first time in a long time. Opening day of the week, I didn't even peek at them. I kept myself away. I didn't even look at Dixie. I didn't look at Dixie till this morning. I had no idea what that sucker was doing. Holy smoke. What's going on here? Okay, just got the open. Let's move you up a little bit, baby. Come on. Here we go again. There we go. Get your butt up there. Come on, fat girl. Good Lord. Okay. Charts are acting funny again. Jesus. There we go. You spread this out a little bit. Where's that daily range? Right down here. Fairly tight. What do we got here? 415, 414. It is pretty tight. What was it? 32. Let's put this on a 1 minute real quick. See where this range is. Come on, man. Here it is, right down here, below that monthly support. Okay. Monthly support. Interesting. Yeah, pretty tight daily, and it's right. I mean, the center of the daily today is right at the center of the weekly volatility range. Definitely, yesterday, definitely tested it. Good stuff. So what are you going to do? Okay, now that we know where that's at, I can flip this back to 15, so everything looks normal to me. You're literally already ran up. I mean, this thing pre-market, it pretty much gapped up to the bottom side or top side of the 68.3. Yeah, 416.36. The top side's at 416.45. Almost got up there. Pretty damn close. Bottom side, which is below a lot of support at 413.82. 413.82. That's exactly where the bottom side expected move is on Tasty right now. But their math is a little suspect. Yeah, you heard me right. I know their normal distribution calculations are wrong. That's all I need to know. That's all I need to know. If you can't get the normal distribution right, considering I doubt anything else is right either. Close, though. Close. But when it comes to normal distribution, I know exactly why they're getting these numbers. It's the same numbers everybody else gets when they build these things because they're not using their own math. They're using pre-populated math. That is not right. There you go. There's a little hint why you guys can't get it right. The math's not right, boys. It's okay. You got to have a math genius like we have here at Alpha Trading. And it's definitely not me, so don't start asking me questions. 2 plus 2 is chicken. Let me see here. No, it's not that bad. Not that bad of math. Okay, we're going to have to take a peek over here now. And you're at the wave trend on 45. Wow. Where's it at? Where is this at on the... And it's setting up. Jeez Louise. Well, there was bear div. Hasn't peeled out yet, though. Bottom side of the power mean band, 411. Gee, Merry Christmas. See this 4 hour. Yeah, a little hidden bear right at the 9 log MA. Interesting. Interesting indeed. Let me see something here real quick. Where is 411? Let's get down here. Come on. What'd I say? First standard deviation, about 411. 411.22, 411.17 to be exact. Yeah, let's see what happens here, because you're gonna get some support here real soon. I mean, you got the center of the weekly, center of the daily, right here at about 414.90. You got center of the daily 414.90, weekly 0.83, and we're literally almost there. Literally almost there. And the bottom side of the daily range, 414.45. 414.45. You're right at the 9. Okay. Right at the 9 with Hidden Bear. Daily. Jeez. Daily's got some too, man. Daily's got a few stabs from right here and right here. You got a couple stabs of Hidden Bear. Let me let this cold dog in. Come on, Granny. Come on, Grams. Get up here, good dog. Jesus. Lost my canopy. Boys. Can see through the forest again. Incredible. Boy, I got a lot of woodwork to do. Shit. Oh, God. I got to find the time. So yeah, you got a bunch of Hidden Bear, but right, this little pop SPY had, like even yesterday, just hidden. It was definitely some bull div. Returns oscillator hasn't turned down yet. It's a good time for all your workflows to come into play here. Let me see here. Yeah, where are you up there at? Just hovering around in between the 9 and the 33, almost centered, below wave trend, coming down. This thing's setting up some hidden bull down here. Interesting. Oh boy, running slow this morning. Yeah, wave trend on the 45, huh? Yeah, we already looked at it, didn't we? Yeah, that bear div, man. It's definitely setting up some hidden bull, but you drop down to this 9 log MA and it's not going to be there anymore, though. What's that at? About 413.32? About 1.5 points. Let's move this baby right on down here. Okay, did get up above wave trend, but wave trend was right at the top side of the power mean band. Looks like the 9's getting ready to cross up the 33. Yep. So coming down to test that 33 log MA. Just going to break down. Bottom side of the power mean band. It's down at that number. There's that 411 again. See what this 15 minutes rejecting off of. I mean, yesterday you shot outside the power mean band, right? Indeed. Wave trend crossed up Fisher. Yeah, this wave trend probably going to get some action. What's that, 414? 414. Bottom side of the power mean band, 412.5. Got Fisher down here at about 412. Yeah, bear div. Bear div going into the close yesterday. Going into the close yesterday, bear div, and it closed right at the 9 log MA, rejected from the 99. That last candle pulled right back inside to the top side of the power mean band as well. Let's get a better look at it. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Boop, and then closed right there, gapped up and shot her right back down. 414. Damn. Where are we at right now? 414.94. I guess that's about right. We're about 94 cents right now. Gotcha. Let's get SPY over here real quick. Yeah, let's go to daily. That's what I'm looking for. We've got these power means up here, 425. Let me see here. That's what we're going to have to do. Number one is turn off. Let me turn off this protection. We're We're having a little bit of a data feed error. It happens. These are not the easiest indicators to put together. No, it's already off. Oh, that's, come on, you. Being silly. There it is. Boop, 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 boop. Fire down systems. Okay. Yeah. Same thing. 426.5, 424.9. That's on a daily. What's this 5-day look like? Yeah, you dumped out below everything. What are we, 2 SD band? Yeah, 2 SD band kicking up from it. Which length is that? A second here. Back up. I tried to get up above the first on the low length. Wasn't having it though. So that's going to be the 30. Yeah, kicking up from the 2 SD band. 33 power mean up here at about 425.2. It's a tricky little spot here for SPY. Tricky. Pop on this daily. One more time. Yeah, 420. Man, there's a lot of RMLRs at about 425. And you were down here at the 3 SD band. Don't think this thing can't mean revert and work its way up literally 10 points. 33 log MAs at 433 again. Let's see the 4 hour again. Come on, you. 431. 431. And that's the 30 length. Oh, wow. Considering that, 11 crossed down the 30, and you got the RMLO down at 407. 407. Jeez Louise. Come on, man. Jesus. Drives me crazy. This thing won't move. Trading View. God damn, dude. Yeah, I'm going to blame it on you. Spread this out a little bit. What we got down here to 95 for Laplace? 408. Telling you, you got some support here, man. This is stiff support too. Got that daily and weekly center is right on top of each other, pretty much. Behooves these bulls to keep this thing up above there too. Yes, it does. Keep it up, preferably above 415. You drop below these two, you're going to probably hit the bottom of the daily, 414.45. Then the gig is up because the bottom of the weekly, it's already got some action, 412.79. If that breaks after yesterday's little move here, you can see this thing gapped up and ran right to this weekly support or monthly support level. Which one is it? Let me see here real quick. Let me scale this down. Tight. Yeah, first monthly support. So, I mean, this thing got a ways. This thing's got a ways to go if it wants a dump. Goodness gracious. Bottom side, right about 384, 383. Girl, you've been out twice in the last 20 minutes. What's your issue? She working me for food. She thinks she goes out, she's going to come back in and get a treat. Really? You want out? God help me. Go on. Go find your brother. It's raining leaves right now. Everywhere I look, just leaves coming down. Whole yard is literally a leaf pile. Yeah, I'm a little bit behind on the leaf blowing. I'm going to have to fire up my machine. There it goes, boy. It's trying to break down below these. Trying to break down below. It's in between them. Imagine that. It popped right back up. And we got the play-by-play. We got the data set in between the two centers of the weekly and the daily volatility range. What is going to happen here, folks? Crazy. Good times. This thing is stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. How big is that range? I mean, it's pretty damn tight, actually. Daily is about, I don't know, 70 cents. 70 cents. Bitcoin's is $5. That's why I'm surprised Bitcoin hasn't really broke out, to be honest. It's going to do something. Crypto's a little, got a little bit ahead of itself. Dixie can get out of this hole. I would imagine if Dixie pops up to about 106.5, 106.6 area, that we're going to see some pullbacks there on crypto. Let me see here. 408, man. It's screaming. It is a screaming. I don't know if we're going to get that kind of move today, though. Not to the downside. It's got to break this. Got to break the range. I mean, that candle closed right at the center of the daily, right at the center of the weekly, right in between them. Of course it did. Only with the VEPS do you get this. Big firms know where these levels are. Why? Because they use VEPS, man. That's why. They use them. They damn sure aren't teaching people. That's where we come in. That's where we come in. So let me look here. Yeah, we're ringing down through here. I'm telling you, man, it's between a lot of RMLRs too. 33 minutes screaming my name. Please check me. Okay. Settle down, baby. Yeah, you are right at the top side too. Thing just mean reverted, which comes into fact. What's this bottom side at? 406. Damn, this on the 33 minute? Very interesting. Boy, that's low. 06, huh? 406.62. That would just blow everything out of the water that I'm looking at. 407.74. I mean, we're talking first weekly support. It's 405. Is this thing going to flush out? Let me look at something real quick. Whew. What do we got down here? Where was that 4 hour? Yeah, you're right at the bottom. Fish sugar down there at 412. Let's say 406. Tell you what, man. On the weekly, you are at the bottom side. You're at the 99 log MA and you're at the bottom side of the power mean band. This is really hard to short this thing or buy any puts. I mean, what is the bottom at? 412. 412.37. This 412's right now, 36 cents. Really not that bad, to be honest. This thing really looking like it wants to. 15 minute. I mean, still fairly tight. You got up to the 99. I mean, everything's trying to cross up here. Low time frames. Let me look at the 9 minute. Probably did, I'm sure. Hey, this is your last time. Get up in here and lay down. Calm down. Hey, stop! I got one scamming me, one barking in the woods. Good Lord. Now go lay down. You're not playing me anymore.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. And she's right back at the door. She's literally right back at the door. I just let her in. Guys, she's getting old, though. She was twitching yesterday and doing some weird stuff. I'm like, oh, my God. Yeah. I mean, she'll be 14. And the two breeds that she's crossed with, I mean, dude, usually don't live past 10, 11 years old. You're a good girl, aren't you? You're a trooper. She'll be 98 years old. Grammy. All right. And she was running around in the yard yesterday. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, I mean, you almost got back down to the wave trend right here. What's he doing? Wow. This is a tough spot right now. Toughy. It's all right. When the market gets like this, shoot over to crypto. Shoot over to crypto. That's what volatility traders do. You don't just get stuck in one class, right? You're moving around. You're following the volatility. Is it in silver? Go to silver. Is it in oil? Go to oil. Is it in gold? Go to gold. Is it in crypto? Go to crypto. What cryptos? What's going on right now? When Bitcoin is doing its thing, going sideways, the alts are just going berserk. A lot of alts were up. A lot. It's this Fisher down here, 410.11. I'm not saying the SPY can't dump out here. It's just got a lot. It's got that support, man. It's trying right now. Definitely is trying. And that would lead me to believe. I mean, you got this second support level on the monthly. God, I'll just laugh. This thing just flushes. Got to remember, we got this close coming in. Let me see something real quick. Let's make it real easy. Let's go to a daily. Let me blow this up real quick. We are going to get a new range here. And yeah, it's all this right here. Boom, boom. New monthly for 21, huh? Get the exact. Is that the first? Yeah, right in here, man. Okay. Yeah, like 423.5 area, somewhere in there. This thing's almost 10 points below where the new monthly is going to come in. Interesting. Interesting indeed. There's a center of the weekly 414. Talking 421. Where's that at the weekly? Let's see here. There's the top of the weekly. Top of the weekly to you. Okay. Where is the top side of the weekly? Because there's the monthly. Never even stiffed it. It's above. Top of the weekly is above last month, or this remaining day of the monthly. 436. That's about 15 points above where the new one's going to come in. Or from my calculations. Depends on what it does today, to be honest. Definitely some sell pressure. If Dixie gets its head out of its butt, yeah, man. 07. Could get a little flusheroo, boys. 07, huh? We're at 414. I wouldn't be a bit surprised, man. I'm telling you. This thing's acting weird. It's at 95.4 at 407, 408. Huh. Very freaking interesting. Let's see here. That'll work. Gotcha. Order. Clear. Sorry, give me a second here. All right. Yeah, it's going to do its thing. Let's get our butts over to. Let me go into this chat. Make sure nobody's asking anything in the live chat. Oh dear. Where we going? I found a hack. Yeah, plus I got to get my. What are you saying, Django? That does everybody in Discord seen the stream? Is it blurry? Looks good to me. Yeah, it's crystal clear. Django, G bitch and fix it. Good stuff. Is that what you're saying? What did you do? Just report a problem on this live and select live, blurry, or pixelated. It gets definitely better. Okay. It definitely looks pretty damn clear right now. He says, but now I solved. You did, my friend. If there was a problem, I didn't even know there was one. But yeah, I didn't like renew my Nitro subscription. I'm gonna do it. I was just messing around. I'm not gonna get the $99 one. That's just ridiculous. I'll pay $29 a year though, just to make sure we got no issues. Just to make sure we got no issues. All right. BTC pulling back a little bit, huh? Let's go over here into the VRE. We'll let traditional markets do their thing.
Salami too.
Oh, of course.
Is a falling knife.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, on the 5 minutes actually.
Let me see here. Second standard deviation right now on this 4-hour candle. That closes in 2 hours. Was that tight? Was that tight daily range on Bitcoin? You got to remember, here's the top of the weekly. I mean, it's definitely got inside 1% of it, but yeah, man, I'm telling you, especially in crypto, love to really test. Pretty big weekly too. Let me see what these are. What the top side, bottom side is. 32,550, 33. So we got about $1,300 range. $1,300 range in this weekly right here. Today, 95.4 Laplace, 2 SD move. You're going to test the center of the weekly. First SD is right above the top. I would love to see BTC test the top of this range. All the alts. We went through this yesterday on that afternoon live stream. A lot of these alts that pumped did test their weekly. I mean, you had like Solana, Atom, I guess XRP. There was a few that were leading. All tested their weeklies first and then popped. Good stuff. Probably not going to see too much in the green. Yeah, XRP up. Yeah. It's having trouble with 60 cents. Been having trouble there. Solana had a nice move. Let's see. Yep, there's the weekly that got tested. And Solana ripped right up from it. Right to not only that 1 SD yesterday, that was the first resistance level on the weekly too. Damn near it popped to the 1 SD today. There's the second resistance level on the weekly. I already talked about this yesterday, where by the close we could see Solana about $40. It's the top of the weekly range, right up there. And today it just so happens to be at the third standard deviation. Yeah, 40.2 area. Be nice to see Solana at $40 again. We're gonna get it. Let's see here. Here's the thing though, right? We're just out of bounds. This thing's got room to run, but can't get any real macro reads on it, which really bugs me sometimes. It's okay. There's just not enough history. It's okay. It's all right. Just tested the Fisher. Wick right to it. I mean, right to it. It's amazing, too. Pretty amazing. I mean, this is just a certain length, right? I mean, you could set this Fisher up at different lengths. We just happen to have the perfect one. Somebody spent a couple nights relentlessly getting these lengths. No longer with us. I don't even know if he ever really was. I think he was a plant. Just seeing what we were doing on the inside. For our old pseudo-mentor, whatever the hell he was. Turned a lot of people on the volatility. But most people realize real quick that, yeah, this guy isn't going to teach me much. Can't stop calling me a moron long enough to actually realize I really want to learn this stuff. So we just learned by ourselves. We took it upon ourselves to move forward. And we did. Leaps and bounds, I might add. So you just closed below wave trend too. About to get 35.8 here, maybe. 5.8, huh? What's that? Bottom side? Yeah, a little lower. A little lower. Yeah, it's below the daily, or it's above the daily 68.3. Bottom side, and the bottom side of the first 4 hour. It's right up in here. Almost hit it already. That's peaky poo here. 34.2 for Bitcoin. Yeah, so the 33 log MA. Wave trend 35.45. And this is what I was talking about, right? When I'm looking even like on the 33-minute time frame, the SOL spills out. I mean, look, you got reverse Fisher up here at $34. Good stuff. And Solana's been on a run, man. Solana has been on a run. Take a peek here. From the Fisher on the 33. Got a little pop here. And remember where this was. Remember where that was at on the VRE. All right, should we show you again real quick? Weekly range. All right. First, or top side of the weekly, bottom side of the daily yesterday. And it just popped. And it just happened to be a 33-minute reverse Fisher as well. God, that thing had a lot of support there. If you were playing this real time, hell of a scalp. Let me see. All right, I already got my measuring tool. I'm going to see what kind of move this thing is done. Yeah, 14.4% about. Nice. A little 14% move, huh? This is a no-brainer. Come back, test the 33. Towards the bottom side of the power mean band. Solana's pretty bullish, though. This has been a random walk. This down move, total random walk. Went into a little bit of trend. These 33-minute candles, right? You can see it drop, turn blue. But now, I mean, you are total random walk right now. Wow. Go Solana. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when Solana comes for you? And you're setting up hidden bull. Is it on 33 too? Yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah. If it would have closed down here by the 33, no. But it didn't. Well, I mean, this 33-minute candle still got 15 minutes, so it could actually, but... Yeah, random walk on all these. 15, 33, 45. We are randomly walking around. Here, the 45. You got the 33 down here at $35. Where's Fisher down here? Yeah, see, I mean, these lower time frames below 4 hour, you've got like the 99 log MA and these Fishers. They're all above like $33. It's good stuff, man. Solana can stabilize up here above 30. I really like it. See this old 90 minutes. Got some bear div. Pulled it back to the 9 log MA. Look at that 30 length Z score. It's going to break the mean here on the Z score. Possibly, man. This whole move up, Z score 30 length, been heading down. That's what I used to. A lot going on here. So you got the low length setting up some hidden bull. But all this bear div on the 30. Look at all this bear div. This is enough to pull this thing back. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if Solana pulled back. 90 minute, huh? Wave trend. We could even get to 4 hour. But even that 4 hour, as you're about to see, 4 hours, like 32. I like it. I like it a lot. Haven't really sniffed it since October 18th. 2 days before that, I got a little older. It was me, if you didn't know. It was my birthday present to Solana. I allowed this thing to rip. Just kidding, obviously. Nice little trend. Nice little trend here on the 4 hour. Turning up. Did turn up, close that candle, and it's inside the 2 SD band. Prediction model did not flip. Even though we're getting a 4 hour pullback here. Having an outlier on the Z score. And there was a bunch of bear div. That bear div is definitely worked. There's a lot of hidden bull, though. If all this bear div was still setting up and you were above the zero mean, I'd be like, man, this thing is going to dump. And you're already down here below the 2 SD band, which usually supports that return oscillator, as you can see. This thing about to turn up on some hidden. We're talking 1, 2, 3. There's like 3 stabs of it. I will stab you with my hidden divergence. We'll see how that works out for you. You do got variance coming down, positively correlated though. Volatility, low length expansion. Everything's still expanding. Got to 981, sloping negative though. So we're getting a big fat body doji here. Got a little wick to both sides. Daily's having an outlier off all this hidden. So this is what I'm saying. You see the hidden on the daily? And then the 4 hour? This thing can be getting ready to pop again. Let's see here though. It would be nice though. You're above the zero mean to run this up. Create a new high. Go up and hit the 2 SD band. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. Because right now, I mean, there's definitely some hidden bear from here. There's hidden bear for sure. Boy, that guy talks about divergence a lot. Yeah, divergence between price action and the log returns. We don't use the RSI or the stochastics or MACD or whatever. There's people using volume for divergence. I mean, oh my God. Need to have a crash course, wake everybody up, crying out loud. What are you doing? Even YouTube Jimmy tells you divergence is BS. Well, that's because you're using the RSI and you're using the stochastics. You're using lagging information for a divergence play. That's not how you play divergence. You need leading information to play divergence. That's why we talk about it all the time, because we do have leading information, because we are charting returns against price action, not the strength, not the relative strength index. It's built on poor math. If you guys knew what you were using, you'd never load that indicator again. The guy's a damn failed engineer. You know what engineers use a lot of? Math. Horrible. The guy was poor at math. So what's he do? Well, I'm a failed engineer. I'm going to build some indicators. I'm going to use my great math skills that got me to be a failed engineer, and I'm going to turn it in, start selling it to degens. I just caught on, man. This RSI, it's the best thing since sliced bread. Guys, it lags so bad. It is incredible how bad that indicator lags. Let's see here. What in the world? There we go. Any questions? I don't believe so. What about TradingView? Let me pop in TradingView. Let me make sure. Nope, just my good morning. Good morning. I do like you. You right now? That daily range is looming down here at about 34.6. But, I mean, you were opening up right here. I mean, you were definitely close enough. Especially, I mean, all day long, you're testing that new range. My opinion, you got a lot of things here. What is Dixie doing right now? And Dixie's starting to run, man. Dixie's starting to run again. I'm going to make a little prophetic statement here. Did he just call himself a prophet? With the VEPS. I'm the VEPS prophet. You're at the first resistance level. Daily volatility range. Broke up above. I mean, look, you get up above the top side of that weekly, you send a wick right to the top side of the daily. Now you're at the first resistance and the 1 SD. Hey, what, man? Dixie revs it up here. This thing can easily do a 95 for Laplace, 106.8. Second standard deviation, almost 107. Interesting. I mean, literally. Let's see. Gold. There you go. Gold's running with Dixie. Still, hey, man. Gold made a hell of a move. Thing pumped $200, damn near. Good on gold. I am not a collector of shiny rocks, but hey, bravo to everybody that is. Indeed. I don't think gold's going anywhere. But I can tell you right now, gold is very manipulated. Silver, very, very manipulated. So, oh yeah, because you don't understand, you're going to cry manipulation. No, I'm not talking about data set movements. I'm just talking about in general. Gold and silver are manipulated like crazy. Number one, there's not a supply cap, for crying out loud. There's not a supply cap. So that in itself is a problem. What is this little hand? Is somebody asking, what? 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 What are they? I see little emojis popping up, but I don't know who it is.
Yeah, it's been like 5 minutes. I have a question.
What? What's that?
Yeah, I don't want to interrupt you. By the
Good.
way, I have some problems to spot on the return oscillator, like hidden bulls and hidden bears divergences. Because I reset to default, and they are showing it by default by itself. Basically, it's showing divergences, the hidden one. But I don't understand how to spot them without looking at this without the indicator showing me, because I would like to have the indicator like you without the indicate me.
Yeah, it's just the thing where you just got to study what the divergences look like. I mean, it takes a while because it. So first, you got to know what the hiddens are. So if you're looking for hidden bull, it's going to be higher lows on the data set and lower lows on the returns oscillator, right? Where hidden bear is going to be lower highs and then higher highs on the return oscillator. Just the exact opposite. Where bull div, the data set, lower lows, return oscillator, higher low, or lower lows on the data set, higher lows on the return oscillator. Bear div is higher highs on the data set, lower lows on the return oscillator. Like
Yeah,
right
the
here.
divergent I got them. It's just the hidden ones that are, because if you reset to default, it's showing like strange stuff.
Right.
And there's no explanation of the hidden one.
No explanation. What you mean, man?
For the hidden one, I don't see the explanation in the Discord. Yeah, if you go in down on the bottom of the settings, there is defaults, and there is also the reset to defaults. And with that, you can see like the hidden one, bullish or bearish.
I mean, here's the hidden.
Yeah, also like that.
Here's the hidden divs. So you pop that on, pop that on. I remember I just was talking about hidden bull. This is all printing hidden bull. This is hidden, or yeah, this is all printing. Hold on here. Yeah, this is all printing hidden bull. Where on the top side, this is hidden bear, hidden bull, hidden bears on the top side. Hidden bull here, hidden bear. Look, hidden bear right in the hidden bull, pops it back up. You got to study the div chart. I understand you're having problems like recognizing when hidden's printing. You just got to understand, like hidden bull, the data set's running to the top side, creating higher lows. All right, low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Now, but look at the returns oscillator: lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. Then when it gets up above the zero mean, boo, it's taken off.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure, just study that divergence chart. I know we have it somewhere in there. But dude, I've just been staring at this divergence for so many years. That's why I can just look at a chart and I can tell what div's setting up. I mean,
I see. That you spot them immediately.
Yeah. Oh, immediately. Yeah, it just pops out like a sore thumb. Whoop, there you are. And if you just work with it every day, believe me, you'll see it. You will definitely see it. Yeah, Solana's being a little resilient dog. I'm telling you, man. Solana is looking very bullish. Like I said, probably by the end of the week, this thing's going to run up and test the top side of that weekly around $40. Could easily see that happening. What's running here? Oh, interesting. Bonk doing its thing. XRP, huh? Up 3.43. Yeah, Solana and XRP right now are taking advantage of this little BTC. Some say consolidation.
Aptos 2.
Aptos 2. What's Aptos at? Yeah, 2.8, 2.9. Yeah, yesterday, right at the open, Aptos had a pump. First 15-minute candle. Then it kind of settled down a little bit, and then Solana took off right after it. Interesting. Let's go back over here real quick. Dixie struggle busting, man. Now it's back down inside that weekly. Rejected off the 1 SD to the top side. See if I can find support on the daily. Let's just see. Yeah, gold. Yeah, we just went through gold a bunch. Yeah, if you have any specific questions, pop them in the chat. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely running. Especially if Dixie pulls back, gold will pop. Gold will pop. Remember, we got the monthly close right now, too. We got the monthly close. And here is gold's top, I believe, 2025. Yeah, 2025 is the top of the monthly range. And I remember halfway through the month, I was like, gold's looking bullish. Gold could run up to the top of the monthly. Boys, it's almost there. Almost there. Last day. It wouldn't shock me at all. It would not. 1 SD definitely for sure. That's a 2017. And I'm just saying right now, look at Dixie. Throw Dixie on here. If Dixie breaks the center of this weekly range, if it breaks into the daily 68.3, here's the bottom side. Say Dixie runs down to 106, you're probably going to see gold pump. Not probably. You'll see gold run to that 1 SD real fast. Where's it at again? Come on down here, buddy. 2017. 2017. That was actually a good year. That was pre-madness, kind of. There was still some madness going on, but 2017. I had a lot of madness pop off in my life. 2018. Long story. Not going to share it here. Pretty whack shit happened to me. It's all good, though. Look at me. Coming out strong. Let's see. 2017. Yeah. This thing can pop 10 points like in a freaking 5-minute candle here. Let's see. Yeah, gold's definitely running. When we look up here, I'll pop it back on gold. You are definitely a regular customer. I will give you some gold time. 2007. This is a random walk too. There's all the hidden, right? We were just talking about hidden. Look at the daily on gold. This thing, I'll tell you what, man. Right at the monthly close too. If this daily pops up here. Now remember too. Let me pop over here again. Let's see. What am I on the daily? Perfect. Let's get a monthly range. Gold put in some work, man. Good on gold. Gold dumped out. Damn near whole month of October. Right at the beginning of October, it was finishing that nasty little pullback. Right where the high was, 1946. I think pulled back to 1810 or whatever. Pretty much the whole month this thing has been riding up. Man, this thing's going to pull this monthly range up. Pretty much just all the volatilities at the top side. A couple little so-called consolidation points here on the daily. Not really. I'm thinking center, probably about 1950. 1950 for the center, probably top side up here around 1975. You're going to have a big monthly range, 1930 to the bottom. I could see probably a 40-point range, 1930 to 1970 or something, with the center obviously in the center. Now I'm looking at some wicks. I'm looking where the volatility is at. That's why people are like, oh, did you see the pullback there? Now, obviously, when you get pullbacks like this, when you get wicks left behind, it's a distribution. But at the same time, there's distribution levels, and where these wicks are going to are high points of contention and volatility. Look what we're talking about here. A lot of people are so enchanted by the opens and closes of candles, they're forgetting about volatility and what these wicks really mean. So yeah, man, I'm right around 1950. I would see the center. Giving away all my little secrets. It's okay. I'm here to share. I'm here to share. I would imagine probably about a 40 point. 1970 to 75 on the top side, bottom side, probably 1925 to 32 or something. But I'm sticking to my center. It's going to, and you'll have the new center of the monthly range above the reverse Fisher. If that happens, look out, man. I mean, gold could get a pullback, but it is bullish. Gold and crypto, man, look bullish. Leads me to believe, I don't know about this dollar, man. This dollar could, well, you know, it's getting cold out. My skin's getting all dried out. My scalp's itching. Good Lord. Bring in the coconut oil. Take a bath in it. Grab aloe vera and take a dip in the coconut oil tub. Everybody's like, who's aloe vera? Long story. Let's see. I'm full of them. Boy, that's beautiful right there. Gold. Gold's got an easy monthly range calculator. Be a bit surprised. So yeah, gold could be getting ready to break out. Good for gold, right? It's not like I'm a gold hater. I'm just like, when it comes to a store of value and we're in a digital age, amen. I'm gonna get Bitcoin. Now I'm gonna get me some Bitcoin. Indeed, because where do we think like the percentage moves, right? If you're looking for that, is it going to be in gold or is it going to be in Bitcoin? We know how Bitcoin does it, man. We know how Bitcoin does it. And Bitcoin's right now, what? You mean, Jesus, what is it even at? Oh, boy, I'm so bad. Yeah, 34. This thing could run like crazy. But gold, let's 5-day. You're outside the power mean band. But we need to push this to a monthly for gold. Yikes. Show us. Oh, you came down, tested at 33. The fact this power mean band, 9 and 33 log MAs have stayed above a wave trend. This is pretty bullish. Look at that pullback right there when it popped down to that 1810 level. Look at that 21-day candle. That is a hammer time, baby. Hammer time. Building another one. But this baby's, it's got a couple weeks left. Got a couple weeks left in this pup. Actually, it's only got 10 days. That was close. It's only 4 days off. Stick to these other time frames. Funny. Look at the monthly volatility. Holy crap, man. 981 falling off a cliff right now. Contracting. Low length is contracting, positively correlated. That 981 is contracting negative. And you literally, on the 21 day, that pullback, when everybody's like, where's gold going to go? Where's gold going to do? I don't know. How about the 95.4 Laplace on that 21-day candle? And it sucked it right back up. Right back up. Closed above the 68.3. That is bullish as hell, man. And you're seeing it. Immediately opened up, tested the bottom side of the 68.3. Now you're at the top side of the 68.3. It's literally at 2011. You break that. This 21-day, if you hit the 95.4 Laplace again, 21.25. What's at 21.25? It's about to disappear, right? That's the top of the weekly. Right there. Boy, is it going to do it today? Good Lord. 21-day candle, 95.4. You rip up here about 20 points intraday. I don't know about that. But I'll tell you what, you close up here above the 1SD today, you're going to see it real fast. But that's going to be gone at the close of the day. So it's not really, or no, it's not. It's the top of the weekly. Sorry, guys. I'm thinking monthly. Which, yeah, that's the top of the monthly. Good Lord. I was right. This is the problem when you talk about 45 different assets. You get a little lost in the weeds. It's okay. Yeah, top of the monthly is at 2025. By the close of the day, man, I don't know. What's his volatility looking like? Yeah, this 21 day is bullish. You're having an outlier on the 21 day. Here's the last one. Baby moved up real nice. What did that move from? Pull this back a little bit. That was the outlier right there. 1790 to 2050. Hell of a move there. That was the last outlier. Man, if that plays out, holy shit. We could see some new highs, man. We could see some new highs for gold. All them gold bugs are going to be happy. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I mean, I know there's a lot of people that put their money into gold. Well, good on you. You're finally making some money. Depending on where you bought, who bought the dip. I mean, I was literally screaming at the gold bugs, buy the dip, buy the dip. If I was a gold bug, I would have definitely been buying the dip, but I'm not. Look at this 4 hour real quick. What's this volatility doing? Pretty low, man. Pretty low. 981 is just 1.23. Got the low length at 23.5, the 525 at a 24, 2400 just waiting to reunite with its lovers down here. Let's see. Boy, if that does pop, damn, on the 4 hour. Look at the entropy percentile too. Starting to drop into trend. Prediction model saying let's freaking go. Could be ready to have a little gold party here. 90-minute volatility is telling the story. Woo! But volatility doesn't give direction. Oh, sure it does. If you know how to use it correctly. Sorry, all you people out there that think you know. Most don't. Most don't, unfortunately. That's why we're here, teaching people about volatility. Look at the nice expansion, all three lengths. Grades leading the way. What is a volatility grade? Combination of implied volatility and historical volatility. We threw it in on the same chart as percentile. Very, very close to be going, hey, gold boys, take profit. I'm talking intraday. Look at this 90-minute candle. 99.7 Laplace movement. It pulled back from there. Is this 90-minute? It's looking like it's going to close above the 95.4 Laplace distribution range. What's that? What are the algos telling you? Telling you, look out. We're probably going to get some continuation. That's what it's telling you. 2001. And this is on a 90-minute. Volatility. Woo! Rocket. It is a rocket ship right now. You see the 45. That thing probably got outside it. And you already got one length peaked out at 100%. So if you're down here looking on the 45, and I'm talking about if you're intraday trading gold spot. Yeah, you ran up above the 99.7. You're approaching it right now again, which is at 2006. Trending. Is this thing going to blow the bands out? You got the 2400, man. That thing is rising easily. I mean, you can literally have the 981 and 2400 still expanding positive while the 525 contracts and the correlation breaks, and this thing can just go bonkers. Busting out of this too. I mean, right now, there's a little bit of bear div, but yeah, the way this is looking, this thing's looking like it's gonna make a move. Look at the Z-scores. Z-scores are looking pretty healthy on some hidden bull too, right? Hidden bull, lower low, higher low, right at wave trend too. And then what happens? You get the pop. When's it really pop? Right when it crosses a zero mean. Boop-boo! Just rocket ships up. Nice 45-minute candle. Oh, some big nasty doji here on the 33-minute. Trending. Even came out of trend, and that prediction model flipped right back into trend. And that's why on the returns oscillator, obviously, the little lines. Right now, I've just got hidden turned on. That's what they're there for, to just get people to recognize when there is hidden, right? When there is hidden. That's why, like, this point hasn't even populated yet, and we got this big pop off of it. Yeah, they don't. This is for training purposes. That's why I do not have mine on. I mean, obviously I can read the div; it doesn't matter. But yeah, want to make sure that you're just using that to train, because those will populate late. You got to be able to see it. Best is just to go back and look at those div plays and watch how they play out. Go to a low time frame. If people think this is BS, go to a 1 minute and watch the divs play out. Pretty powerful, man. Back and forth. The imbalance of buy and sell pressure rules the markets. And who's creating all that buy and sell pressure? The algos are. There's a constant battle every day, all day. Beautiful thing. Did somebody like from one of these high frequency trading firms call me and be like, hey, this is what's... No, man, it's in the charts. You can just see it. You can see it. If you know what you're looking for, that's the biggest problem. Most people don't even know what to look for, which is fine. We'll help you on that mission. We will help you on that mission. All right. Time is at 10:30 already. Good Lord. Good freaking Lord. Are you raising his hand again? Speak up, sir.
I wanted to ask, are you using the Z-score only to spot divergences, or also to for other fees?
The Z-scores?
I mean,
Definitely.
Not how the Z-score works, but you personally.
Yeah. I use them for divs. And plus, I mean, it's all part of a workflow too. I want to see where the Z-scores are within the confidence intervals, right? What's going on with the divergence? Is the divergence on the Z-score matching up with the returns oscillator? There's a lot of different things I'm looking for sure. Yeah, man. Boom, boom, higher highs. So right now, I mean, you got the low length Z-score and returns oscillator. They're both pretty much at about the mean. Where you're up here on the 30 length. And usually when you get an outlier, especially up to the 95 or the 99, this thing's going to start working its way back down. Yeah, I mean, we could get a pullback here on gold. But I'm telling you, I already spit out where I think the new monthly range is going to be. And I do think that, especially crypto and gold, I mean, it's going to have good last couple months of the quarter, rounding out the year, man. Rounding out the year. Dixie, I don't know if Dixie, how much effect Dixie's going to have, to be honest. Plus, Dixie's in a weird spot, real weird spot. There's a lot of people hating on the dollar right now. But, you know, what do you do when people start hating on the dollar? Just send a carrier strike group. What a sick world we live in. What a sick world. I mean, I can say right now, the government that's in place right now does not represent me. Does not represent me at all. Most governments don't represent the people anyway. So, all good. Not shocked. Yeah, gold, man. Gold being resilient up here above 2K. I don't blame it. It got roughed up. It got roughed up bad. So what else here? Time is 10:33. We got time. Let's see. Let's take a trip through here. Yeah, I mean, SPY's just going sideways. So is Dixie. Yeah, Dixie's going to have more effect on these on the stock market by far. I think metals, oil, crypto, you're going to be just fine. Although I want to see oil just go to the dirt. It's up a little bit today. It's been hovering around under like 84, in between 80 and 84. You know what? Let's see where this new weekly is on oil. Huh. Ejecting off the daily. Oh, tight weekly. Oil, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? I mean, look at that first wick. You open up the new week, get a wick right to the top of the weekly range and rejection. Then up to the top of yesterday's daily, rejection. Then the bottom side of the daily, rejection to the 68.3 that ran it right up to the center of the daily. Then the spill out. You literally close below the 1 SD. have already tested, even got into the meat, the center of that daily range. Look at all the wicks into the top side of the 68.3. Boom, 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 boom. It only took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you got a spill out below that weekly support. That is the first weekly support. Wind break. Wind break, because this is not looking healthy. I want oil to go down, though, so I really don't care. Let's see what we got. 82 is the first support. It's going to be the week. We're going to see oil drop through. I mean, first day you hit the first weekly support. Second day you're barely hovering above it. The second's down here at 79. Yeah, I'd like to see oil break 80. There's a bottom. Where is the bottom? There she blows. There she blows. 75, 76. Is this the second? Yeah, second monthly support is below the second weekly. So on the day-to-day, if oil dumps out, you got a ton of support down here around literally 79, 78 area. You get up above the top side of this 68.3. This weekly range is in play, though, to the top side at 85. Could definitely roar through here. This monthly support that is a resistance now, that'll be a point of contention, especially it's right above the 1SD. I think Dixie, is oil going to be okay? I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, boy, Jesus. Up 11.5%. The degen play for natural gas. That is for sure. It's a hell of a move. Things up 6 points. Somebody making some money. Take your profits. Stock moves we got going on. Coinbase up 0.69. Chipotle doing its thing up around 2K, 1934. Google down. Enphase. Dude, all you can do is go up. My God, you just got wrecked. Enphase got literally wrecked. It's like a crypto shitcoin. No kidding. P-Funk in here. He knows. Oh, Southwest Airlines. Hey, bags fly free, baby. $22 stock. Put some work in. Put some work in, Southwest. Nobody's got any faith in you. What are we doing here? Roku up 2.79. What's that? NVIDIA down 3.77. I mean, guys, NVIDIA went on a rampage. We know that. I think needs a pullback. Grossly overvalued, in my opinion. SoFi up 6.2. You don't care about that. What are the bond yields doing? 5-year, 10-year down. 1-year, 2-year up. Thanks for nothing. Bond futures up a little bit, which they would be. What do we got here? Rice and wheat down. Corn and soy up. Corn and soy up. Let's get the corn dogs rolling. That Lulu, man, it still blows my mind. God, I should have sold women's athletic apparel. Doing pretty damn good. Yeehaw! $390 stock for old Lulu. Old Lulu. I didn't even know about old Lulu till the other day, to be honest. Never charted Lulu before. And we had Morgan. Morgan knew about it. Haven't seen her in a few days. Shout out to Morgan. Where you at, girl? Let's see here. It is online now, so you never know. But definitely by her responses, I do believe that Morgan is a lady. Let's see here. Boring. Boring. Poor Dixie. I'm going to pop back over on it again. There, it's trying to make that move. You're above the weekly. I'm telling you, man, if this thing breaks out, stocks are probably going to get. See if it can make a 95 for Laplace. Interesting. Been a minute. Been doing some 1SD moves. Haven't had a 95 for Laplace, especially the top side. 106.861. This thing starts creeping up towards 107. It'll get people's attention. As you break through this weekly support up here at 107.2 area. All right, we're going to get a new monthly at the close. This weekly, though, is going to Move right along. Weekly close on Friday. Yeah, VIX pulling back a little bit. Saw all kinds of little YouTube thumbs. Why hasn't the stock market dumped yet? Well, because people are buying. There's only buying and selling going on. Everybody tries to just dismantle it all. Why? Why? Like the 5-year-old kid asking why? Why? Are we almost there yet? When are we going to get there? How long? Relax. So I do think this thing at some point here, it's going to break loose. And it could be at the monthly close, to be honest. Could be at that monthly close, which is one thing we have not done yet. Pop this back on Dixie. So we definitely looked at Bitcoins. We looked at the gold. Let's look at Dixie. Well, this thing, it's hovering right around it. Tell you that right now. Let me see. What do we got here? October 5th. So it's the top up here, October 1st. Pretty much. So we're dealing with that. You are literally, right now, the dollar is, well, this is tough. It's got no top side to work with, man. It's going to be better served on a 4-hour. I'm not going to lie. I do need to turn this UPM off, though. All right, let's pull this 4-hour in. There we go. Now I got something to work with, maybe. Or maybe not. Yeah, that helps a little bit. Give me some love here. Give me some love. Yeah, 10. It's right at the monthly right now, man. It's literally right at the monthly. Probably right at the center. 106.5 area. That's what I'm looking for. Let me see. 106.5. Where's all this? Wiki. Tricky wiki. Right there. Yeah, man. 106.5. Now you guys are getting a little internal look on how I figured this shit out. Don't tell anybody. Shh. And that's why I'm always pretty damn close. It's all about the wicks, man. That's what she said. Yeah. And it's a no-brainer. A lot of these assets are hovering around where this new monthly is going to pop in. That's how it works, man. That's how it works. These algos know. They are going to push. The bulls and the bears are really going to fight. Because obviously, the bulls want to close above the new monthly. Bears, exactly opposite. You want to see a good example? And this goes down to daily and weekly ranges. Look at gold. Gold was down here. Gold was literally down here about how many hours? Let's see. When did it start pumping? Afternoon. So we're talking, about 4 hours? In the last 4-hour candle, look what gold does, right? Before the close on Friday. It rips up and opens up above that new weekly range. Look where it was 4 hours previous. Below. Bulls took it by the horns and ran that right up the bear's ass to open up above. And now you got support on the top side, right? And it did. Look at the center of the weekly is getting front ran by the algos for sure. Now you're above the weekly. This is how this works. And this is exactly what's going on today. These algos are definitely jockeying for position. They got their spurs in the horse. They are cooking. There is a battle going on. If you're able to look at order flow right now, it's probably bananas. And I'm talking probably Dixie, gold, Bitcoin. Everybody's jockeying for position. Notice silver. Silver's lagging. Silver having some issues. Why? Where's that new weekly? Down here. Already tested it. Center of the monthly, center of the weekly. A lot of support on silver down here. Around, $23. A lot of support. So since we did everybody else, why not do silver? Where's this new monthly going to pop in at? God, boy. Oh, boy. Already seen it, though. I mean, there's the beginning of October right here, so we're dealing with all this, huh? Good rebound. I mean, silver was below 20 or right at $20. Popped it up to about almost 24. Excuse me. Hiccups. So what do we do? I can't even use it. Can't even use it. Let me see here. Yeah, this is going to pull tight, man. This is going to pull up pretty damn high. 22.8 area. To be honest, man, I don't know. Kind of a pretty big monthly range. I can see the bottom being down here about 22.3. Top side, yeah, I mean, literally, you're about at the top side of the monthly. I would be thinking the center monthly is going to be about 22.8. It's happening. Flat volatility. All three volatility rate reads are literally just flat. Flat, 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 flat. This 4-hour candle on silver, it tried to bust through the 95 for Laplace, pulled back. What do we got? Yeah, 2 hours, 14 minutes left. See some. Whoops. Get off there. What are you doing? Send him some hidden bear underneath the zero mean. Jesus. I'm talking about from this point right here. Not going to run with that, though. Especially this hidden bull. Hidden bull. Let's see what happens when it crosses a zero mean. Here in about 2 hours and 15 minutes. Going into the monthly close. And you're literally right about at the center of the range. Or not at the center. Let me see here. You're above the center. This one more time, man. Let me look at this one more time. Yeah, you're right about the top side. Center about 22.8. You're sitting at about the top side of the monthly. You can see what these bulls are trying to do. These last few 4-hour candles before the close, man, they're trying to get this thing up to open up above the monthly. That's why, look out. Look out. These bears are not going to give up. These bears will push. And I'm talking every asset we just went through and talked about these monthly ranges. Don't think these bears won't put up a fight. They're not just going to let the bulls run it up and close up there. They're going to fight a little bit. Which, what's it going to do? You're probably going to create some divergence somewhere. You always do. Yeah, we're about to wrap this up. Let me see here. Am I missing anything? Got some in the public chat. Make sure I'm not missing any questions. Dump. It's old Zen Tap. Throwing some gifts around. Good. Goody, goody. Goody, 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 goody. Let's see here. Get back on crypto real quick here before we wrap this up. Well, boy, that's Solana, man. That Solana is tough. It is a tough character. Solana doing something different. See something real quick. What's this thing doing on the CoinMarketCap? Yeah, go Solana, number 7 again. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. When are you going to overtake XRP? Probably not far behind. Actually, you are. Shit. 15. Holy shit. Wow. It's got quite a lead there, XRP. When are you going to take over Seifu coin? I mean, you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Getting dogged by stable coins, man. A lot of the stable coins. You got USDC and Tether in the top 10. Rounding it off. What in the hell is Toncoin? Number 11 on CoinMarketCap. I have no idea what it even is. Hello, newcomer. What are you doing? You ready to dump? So we got Tron, Dogecoin, Cardano, Solana, XRP, BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. The other 2 in the top 10 are stable coins. Supposed to be stable coins. Does that look stable? Doesn't look very stable, does it? It's like my heartbeat on a BTC pump. Oh no, fear's at 72, or greed's at 72. Sure, YouTube Jimmy's like, uh-oh. Fear and greed index. Get out of here, man. For fear and greed index. That is the most silliest shit I've ever seen. Talk about a manipulation tool. Especially when there's a lot of buying going on. That's when people are using lagging information, say, oh, but the RSI is in the overbought or oversold zone. Time for a reversal. Yeah, it doesn't work that way. How'd that do you on the bull run? That's why people get liquidated. Oh, got a short Bitcoin. Got a short Bitcoin. It just kept going up as the RSI is just snaking around on macro time frames up in the overbought zone. What are you going to do? Guarantee the returns oscillator wasn't doing it. Guarantee it. I'm not going to get stuck on that. Let me see here. BTC being resilient, man. And God, the sun's out. I think it's warming up outside a little bit. What it do? Is it 30 yet? It was supposed to be about, yeah, got up to 35. I was going to say it was supposed to be right about 32 at 10. The high today, though, is 40. Hell, tomorrow, yeah. Tonight's low is about 24. Really? God, it's October, man. It's Halloween. Cold Halloween. Cold Halloween. So we got 9 minutes. Somebody throw me an asset to look at. What do you want to look at? I'll look at anything. I know what he wants to look at. Where do you drop out? No, he's still in here. Here. Let's take a quick peek at Aptos. What's this? 4 hour? Aptos has been running. And it's setting up hidden bull. This thing's not done. Heading into a random walk. Was that 4 hour hidden too? Yeah, it's setting up a bunch. Setting up a bunch of hidden. Depends on how far this dump goes. If Aptos dumps down below about 6.7, there's not going to be any. Coming back into a random walk. Prediction model has flipped, but look, 4 hour just nailed 95 for Laplace pretty much. I mean, we can go over here, throw Aptos on the BRE, and you'll see it too. Let's see. Let's put this on crypto. Hello, crypto. Hello, crypto. Where you at? Here it is. That's that little white line right here, 95 for Laplace, second standard deviation. All right there. How's this 4 hour candle going to close? Interesting. Got about what? How long until this thing closes? Let me check real quick. Yeah, an hour. Got an hour. Is this thing going to pull back to the daily? Well, it sure could. It sure could. Indeed. On this 15-minute. You close this 4 hour down here below. Yeah, it's definitely going to come shooting right back down there. Test that daily. I mean, it rocket shipped from it. We already talked about it. Look at the wick right from the top side. Zip, right to the 2 SD. It's already, and it pulled back immediately inside the 1 SD. 2 rejections right back down to where? Top side of the 68.3. Probably going to work its way in here. I mean, the daily range is pretty much the mean of the distributions today. And I'm talking about the daily, Laplace and normal. NVIDIA. Let's do it, man. Uh-oh. Big Matt with the NVIDIA call. What are we doing here? Where are you? NVIDIA. Yikes. Boy, that thing dumped out pre-market, didn't it? Well, it's recovering quick. Where'd that go to? The third support level on the, or is that the bottom? Tight daily range. No wonder. This thing is just flipping, moving all over. Come on, move up a little bit. There you go. That did go to the bottom of the daily. All right, 1. Wait a minute, 1, 2. Got another one down here somewhere. That was the third. There we are. Or am I nuts? Am I losing my mind? Where the hell is the bottom of that sucker? No, it is. That was the bottom. Nope, there it was. There it is, right there. So you got a wick right into the third support. Nothing popped right back up. And you were below the 95 for Laplace. So now it's back inside the first standard deviation. Looks like it's running hard. Tight daily range. Wouldn't be a bit surprised this thing ends up here. 411. Bottom of the weekly. A lot of resistance here, though. Good luck, NVIDIA. Good luck. If this thing does run up about 9 points, it's going to run into a brick wall. Unless that volatility is expanding and you're trending on these low time frames, you're going to get stifled right there. Stifled right there. Video. You know what? Pop this on here. I want to see where this new monthly is going to be. This thing ran like crazy. The daily. Need a 4 hour. Too much shit going on here. There we go. So right around here, huh? Had that nice freaking move up to what? Almost 500. 476. This thing just got back down to 400. And so we're dealing with all this data set right here. I'm going to be honest. This monthly range going to be pretty high. You know what, though? Could get a bigger one, too. I'm even looking down here. You could get the center down here around 420. Imagine that. Damn. Yeah, 418 to 420 maybe. It's a little tougher on traditional markets because you get these gaps. Look at that 4 hour candle. Had a little bull bear fight going on there. There was some bloodshed. But I'll tell you what, this first 4 hour candle is shaping up. Let's see how this thing closes, man. Got 2 hours and 33 minutes. Right now, it is a nasty little hangman. If you know what that is. But you got to realize you can't trade. I've seen hangman set up and the thing just pump. You cannot just trade patterns when you don't know what's creating it. You got to be able to look to the volatility or you're just lost. But a lot of times you get a nasty little hangman. You can get a nice spill. We will see. We will see. You definitely don't want to close like that. This 4 hour candle, even if you just close at the top, I mean, that's like Dragonfly Doji, bullish. But if it closes like this, not good. You literally want to close this 4 hour candle above 405. Let's see if NVIDIA can do that. Can NVIDIA get up to 405? Easily. Hell, bottom of the weekly is way above. First support's probably 405. Yep. Can this get back up above the first support level? If it does, it'll probably squirt up here. Wouldn't be a bit surprised. Get back in the weekly. Close around in here. Yeah. That could happen very easily. Stay tuned. See how that plays out. All right. Cool. I think we're done. Let me see one more time here. Whoops. Yeah, soul being resilient above 36. Like I said, end of the weekly close. I mean, Solana looks bullish. Solana definitely looks like it could close around $40, which is definitely going to be above its monthly. No doubt about it. Go Sol. I always like monthly ranges being, or daily ranges being fully tested, and this one hasn't. So stay tuned. I mean, the high was almost $37 today, and I was at the 1SD. All right, wick right into it. Algos love that normal distribution. They love Laplace distribution too. That's why we got both. Pretty evident when you got leading information like the distribution levels. All right. The algos run it from the bottom yesterday, bottom side of the 68.3 right to the first standard deviation. And you don't pull back inside the second support level or second resistance level on the daily and close right at the 1SD. Actually, it closed a little bit above it. Just that, I mean, we're talking pennies above it. That's all it took. Had a quick little pullback and woo! Here we are, 1SD. You can close up here. You close by the 1SD again today. Look out. Hell, it could hit 40 tomorrow. Good stuff. All right, guys. Thanks for the support in the Discord. You guys are awesome. As usual. TradingView, thank you very much. Everybody watching on TradingView. If you're watching for the first time, or if you have been watching, the link to the Discord is in the description. Come into the Discord.
The trend is my friend until the end.
Yes, exactly. And Open up a support ticket, request a free Volatility starter pack. You'll get the starter pack and access to the educational channels that go along with it to get you started on your path to volatility trading. With all that being said, keep an eye on these markets today. I think something interesting is going to happen. Last day of the monthly. So wherever you live out on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bravo. Good stream. Peace, guys.